Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about music production or just curious about how technology is shaping the sounds we love, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of generative models in music production. So, grab your headphones and let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a generative model in music production? Well, that's a great question. Generative models are revolutionizing the way we create and interact with music. Let's break it down. At its core, a generative model is a type of artificial intelligence that learns patterns and structures from existing data to generate new content. In music, these models analyze vast amounts of musical compositions. Think of everything from classical symphonies to modern pop hits. By learning from these, they can create entirely new pieces of music that mimic those styles. Imagine feeding a generative model thousands of Beethoven's piano sonatas. The model learns the patterns in melody, harmony, rhythm, and even the emotional undertones of the music. After training, it can generate new compositions that evoke a similar feel, even though they're entirely unique. For instance, projects like OpenAI's MuseNet and Google's Magenta are at the forefront of this technology. MuseNet can generate compositions in various styles, from Mozart to contemporary genres like jazz. It can even combine styles, creating a fusion of classical and electronic music that's surprisingly captivating. Here's a fun fact. In 2019, an AI-generated piece composed by AIVA, another generative model, was performed by a real orchestra. This was a groundbreaking moment, showcasing the potential of AI not just in creating music but also in collaborating with human musicians. There are different types of generative models, like recurrent neural networks and generative adversarial networks, which we can use in music. RNNs are particularly effective for sequential data, like music, where the order of notes matters. They can predict the next note based on the previous ones, creating a cohesive musical phrase. On the other hand, GANs consist of two networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new data, while the discriminator evaluates it. This back-and-forth process allows GANs to produce highly realistic outputs. Imagine using this technology to generate new instrument sounds or even create a digital musician that performs live. Let's take a look at how you can experiment with generative models yourself. There are user-friendly tools available, like Amper Music and AIVA, where you can input your preferences, like genre, mood, and tempo, and the AI generates a track for you. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity and inspiration, especially if you're facing a creative block. Here, I'm setting some parameters in Amper. As you can see, it's super intuitive. Within seconds, I'll have a brand new piece of music tailored to my specifications. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. However, while generative models are powerful, they aren't without limitations. Critics argue that AI-generated music lacks the emotional depth and nuance that human composers bring. Music is often about personal experiences, and while AI can mimic styles, it doesn't experience feelings in the same way we do. Another point to consider is copyright. If a generative model creates a song, who owns the rights to that music? This is a complex issue that the music industry is still grappling with. So, to summarize, generative models in music production are transforming how we create and experience music. They analyze existing compositions to generate new, unique pieces, offering exciting possibilities for musicians of all backgrounds. Whether you want to use them as a tool for inspiration or as a collaborative partner, the technology is here to help you push the boundaries of your creativity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of music production. Have you tried using generative models in your own music? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep making amazing music.